Welcome to Irvine Auto Repair and Service Center, serving Irvine, Tustin, Lake Forest, Laguna Hills, and all of Orange County. Working on Chevrolet, Ford, Chrysler, Dodge, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Acura, and Lexus. Irvine Auto Repair has been serving Irvine, Tustin, and Lake Forest since 2002. The owner has been in the automotive industry since 1998. We are a family-owned business. All the techs at Irvine Auto Repair are ASE Certified and have factory training. Don't think of us as just a repair facility. We are here to maintain your warranty and can perform your factory scheduled maintenance as well. We are also a State of California smog check and repair station. We can perform all necessary smog-related repairs and certification. In this day and age, you need a shop that can work on all of the different vehicles your family has. We know the demand and keeping up to date with all of our diagnostic equipment so that we can read your car codes and pinpoint the problem immediately. We also take pride in the fact that our customer service is a step above the rest. You'll feel like your family. We look forward to serving you and your vehicle. Call us today, 949-450-0800. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.